This week's giant to follow is Russian-born French artist Marc Chagall. Marc Chagall lived between the years 1887 and 1985. He is one of the most popular and original artists of the 20th century. Chagall created in a variety of mediums such as painting, drawing, book illustration, stained glass, stage set, ceramic, and tapestry. But above all, his color lithographs stand out as his main achievements. Chagall's painting style is poetic and figurative. They mainly reflect his Jewish heritage and Eastern European culture. His painting technique was influenced by most of the art movements of the 20th century, including Cubism, Fauvism, Symbolism, and Surrealism. He experimented with different media such as oil, gouache, watercolor, pastel, collage, and lithography. Chagall did not follow any specific style or school of art. He rather developed his own unique expression that reflected his personal vision and cultural background. He used non-representational color, transfiguration, and dreamlike imagery to create his poetic and fantastical scenes. Chagall intentionally ignores the law of gravity. Instead, he focuses on color, form, and shape. Objects are upside down, things appear to float, and perspective is disregarded entirely. He ignores natural colors and uses his imagination to fill the shapes that he defines by black contours, which is mainly characterized by Cubist art style. But instead of giving them a mechanical look, he creates very emotional work that gives us a feeling as if we are seeing a visual diary of his life. Chagall uses skewed dimension in many of his paintings to create his poetic and fantastical scenes. Skewed dimension in art is when the artist distorts the shape or size of an object or a space to create a sense of perspective or depth. In his paintings, Chagall shows village landscapes from different angles and scales to reflect his dreams and memories. In addition, many of his pictures have symbols that relate specifically to Jewish folklore. In 1964, Chagall was commissioned to paint the ceiling of the Paris Opera House. Although many criticized the odd relationship of Chagall's work with the architectural style of the building, I consider the ceiling of Paris Opera House as a hallmark of intellectual and creative achievements of the 20th century. Chagall's art in many ways expresses a dream of universal peace. His paintings should not be seen as living pictures of the world. They should rather be seen as personification of a gentle compassion.